Hey there. Are you feeling stressed out and overwhelmed? It's okay, we've all been there. Today I'm going to share some simple yet powerful breathing exercises to help you reduce stress and find your emotional balance. First up, we have the 4-7-8 breathing technique. It's super easy to do. Start by sitting in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Then exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle for about 4 times. This method works wonders for calming your mind and regulating your body's stress response. Next, let's move on to box breathing, also known as square breathing. Imagine a square in your mind. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4 as you visualize going up one side of the square. Hold your breath for another count of 4 as you travel across the top. Exhale for 4 as you go down the other side, and hold again for 4 as you complete the square. Repeat this for a few minutes. Box breathing can help you regain focus and maintain emotional balance. Now, let's try the diaphragmatic breathing, often called belly breathing. Lie down on your back or sit comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your diaphragm to expand and push your hand up. Make sure your chest remains relatively still. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Belly breathing encourages full oxygen exchange, which can help to slow your heartbeat and lower or stabilize blood pressure. Finally, let's explore alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably and use your right thumb to close your right nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril, then close it and exhale through your left. Continue this pattern for a few minutes. This exercise can balance the left and right hemispheres of your brain, promoting a sense of calm and clarity. So there you have it. 4 easy breathing exercises to help you reduce stress and promote emotional balance. Give them a try and notice how they make you feel. Remember, taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath can make a world of difference. Until next time, take care of yourself.